This is H&K Living Life. If you'd like to see more of our adventures, just click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications of new videos.
All right, here we are. We're on our first maiden voyage with the new Runaway Venturist camper. Headed out to Lake Whitney for the weekend. It's kind of nasty and misty outside right now, but hopefully we'll see some better weather. More to come. Stay tuned. Yep, that's our buddy motor goating up there in front of us. We're headed up to Lake Whitney State Park. Be the first run of this new Runaway Venturist camper. See what we need to tweak out on it. See how things work out. Stay tuned. Didn't get a real good look at the trailer in the past, so we'll kind of do a little walk around here. Do another one at camp once we're set up. And there's the ZZ and the girls. Next stop, Lake Whitney. Alright. Things has opened up just a little bit. We're about 40 minutes out?
Yeah, 40.
35, 40 minutes out. Next shot should be in the park.